YouTube, Eric DIY with yet another review for you. Today we're going to be reviewing the Ozark Trail 4-person table setting. This is a product we bought for our camping trip, which is happening starting tomorrow at the beach. And we needed plates and, forks and knives. I did want to try to get some of those sporks and stuff, but honestly, we're going to be car camping here. We're going to be glamping. So we decided to go on a 4-person table setting. The mesh bag, if you're cleaning it, will let it air dry as you pack it, so that's always nice to have. And the first thing we're going to pull out are silicone cups. They give you 4 of them. All they do is they expand out, and they're a pretty good size. They actually have measurements on it. They're 480 milliliters, it looks like. Or, if you go to this side, it's 2 cups. So, not bad at all. And it's nice that they measure, because you can use this to measure water for recipes that you're cooking on the camp stove or whatever you're doing. And remember, this is a setting for 4, so they give you 4 of those. This is originally what I was looking at Walmart, where you can buy the Ozark Trail products. It's just a fork, knife, and spoon. Again, if you're backpacking, this is probably not for you. I mean, you could fit it in your bag. It is lightweight, but it'll probably break. It's just a really hard plastic. Probably won't survive as well as stainless steel, but they give you 4 place settings, which is nice if you're glamping like we're going to be doing. And finally, we have 4 plates, and these seem to be really well. They don't bend easy, really well built, and there's 4 of those in my favorite color, nonetheless, blue. So that will definitely be good for picnics, parties. If you want to buy a bunch of these sets, you can do that, and it will serve all your needs for car camping and anything you might need. And again, it all fits into that mesh bag, so it's a pretty good deal. I look forward to using these. Much better than doing paper plates and disposable utensils and solo cups. I just don't see myself wanting to make more trash than what we have to. These are really high quality. It's a really nice set for a family of 4. Mommy and Madeline might be coming down to the campground to eat dinner with us at least, so we'll have enough plates and settings for them. So I highly recommend this if you're in the same boat as us. If you'd like to purchase the Ozark Trail 4-person setting, please look for a link in the description below, and we'll send you to walmart.com where you can purchase your own Ozark Trail 4-person setting. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push the subscribe button below, as well as the bell notification icon, so that way you can be notified of future Eric DIY videos. And as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.